Hello, amazing learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventure. In this lesson, we will spell and read words that talk about parts of the body. Are you ready? Come, spell and read with me. Repeat after me. Face. F A C E. Let's spell the word again. F A C E. Face. Let's read a sentence. Say, the little girl has a cute face. The little girl has a cute face. Head. H E A D. Let's spell the word once more. H E A D. Head. Read the words after me. The dog nods its head. The dog nods its head. Shoulders. S H O U L D E R S. Let's spell that again. S H O U L D E R S. Shoulders. Let's use shoulders in a sentence. Say, Wendell is touching his shoulders. Wendell is touching his shoulders. Elbow. E L B O W. Let's spell that again. E L B O W. Elbow. Let's read a sentence. Say, Ella hurt her elbow. Ella hurt her elbow. Chest. C H E S T. Let's spell the word again. C H E S T. Chest. Read the words after me. The man attached a device on his chest. The man attached a device on his chest. Hands. H A N D S. Let's spell the word once more. H A N D S. Hands. Let's use the word hands in a sentence. Brenda washes her hands. Brenda washes her hands. Fingers. F I N G E R S. Let's spell that again. F I N G E R S. Fingers. Let's read a sentence. Say, the squirrel is biting its fingers. The squirrel is biting its fingers. Waist. W A I S T. Let's spell the word again. W A I S T. Waist. Read the words after me. Gary spins the hula hoop around his waist. Gary spins the hula hoop around his waist. Knees. K N E E S. Let's spell that again. K N E E S. Knees. Let's read the sentence. Say, Jimmy scraped his knee. Jimmy scraped his knee. Feet. F E E T. Let's spell the word once more. F E E T. Feet. Let's read the sentence. Say, Nika washed her feet. Nika washed her feet. Great job, children! You did it! Remember to always practice spelling and reading so you can improve your English skills. See you in our next reading and spelling session. And thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like and subscribe.